In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages in Canva quickly. If you're working on multi-page designs in Canva, like presentations, ebooks, social media carousels, or worksheets, knowing how to duplicate a page can save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding the same layout over and over, you can make a copy of a page in just a couple of clicks and then simply adjust the content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest and fastest way to do that, using Canva's built-in tools. First, open your design in Canva, just as you normally would. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see the canvas in the middle, and importantly, your page thumbnails either below your design or on the side, depending on your screen size, and Canva's layout at the time. These thumbnails represent each page in your project. Now, look at the area where the pages are listed. You should see your current page, and just above or near it, there will be a small plus icon. This plus sign is what you're going to use. It typically appears above the page thumbnail or at the end of your pages, and it's designed to quickly create a new page based on the one you're already working on. To duplicate the page, simply click on that plus sign above the page. When you click it, Canva will instantly create a new page that is an exact copy of the one you had selected. All the elements, such as text, images, colors, and layout, will be duplicated. This is extremely helpful when you want consistency across multiple pages, like keeping the same headers, footers, or background. After the page is duplicated, you can click on the new page and start editing. Change the text, swap out images, or adjust any elements you need while keeping the structure the same. If you need several copies, you can repeat this process and keep clicking the plus sign to generate more duplicates. A quick tip: before duplicating, make sure your original page is exactly how you want your base layout to look. That way, every new page you create from it will already be properly formatted, saving you from making the same adjustments repeatedly. And that's it. By clicking the plus sign above the page, you can duplicate pages in Canva quickly and keep your designs clean, consistent, and efficient to build.